Summary, Chapter 5, My Bank Account. My Bank Account is an interesting and humorous story written by Stephen Leacock. This is a short story of a person who has a bank phobia. When he enters a bank, he acts unusually and ridiculously. The author's salary is raised to $50, so he decides to deposit the excess amount of his salary in a bank. He goes to a bank to open an account there. When the author enters the bank, he gets frightened there by every person and things which are present there. He thinks that before opening an account, he must consult the manager. He goes to the bank accountant and wishes to see the manager. He meets the manager in such a mysterious manner that he takes him as a detective. But when the manager realizes that he is simply a customer, he sends him to the accountant. When he goes to the accountant, he is again upset and acts foolishly. However, his account is open. He deposits $56 in his account. In the meantime, the author decides to withdraw $6 out of the total amount deposited in the newly opened account. But by mistake, instead of $6, he writes $56 in the check, which is the entire amount. One of the clerks is surprised and asks him whether he wants to close his account. The author now realizes his mistake, and to hide his foolishness, he says yes. However, his account is closed. When he leaves the bank, he hears a loud sound of laughter from the bank staff.